Gvance, dear Thank you very much, dear Gvance and Hoca Hasan Hocam. Ben annotation konuşacağım ve icazenizle mecburiyetteyim kongreden gitmeye çünkü benim magistrantlarla görüşlerim vardır. Scientific analysis of the musical culture of Turkic-speaking pupils' problems and perspectives. The musical culture of Turkic-speaking pupils represents a rich sciences of centuries old traditions, ritual systems, and artistic values that reflect their spiritual world and collective identity. The scientific analysis of this musical heritage plays a crucial role in identifying the ethnic culture factors and historical stage of its development. However, the main research challenge includes the lack of systematic sources, limited notation and classification studies, and methodological inconsistency in comparative ethnomusicology. Modern approaches such as digital archiving, interdisciplinary research, and comparative musical analysis open new perspectives for the study of Turkic musical heritage. This paper discusses the main problems and perspectives of the scientific study of the musical culture of Turkic-speaking pupils in the context of modern ethnomusicology. Thank you very much.